Hi everyone, this is Caroline Webster with the American Medical Association's opioid campaign. I am very excited to talk with everyone today because we are going to be discussing the very controversial topic surrounding opioid addiction. As everyone knows, opioids are, or can be, a good thing that many healthcare providers turn to in times of need to alleviate pain in their patients. And they look to it as a source of help or a kind of a crutch that can help their patients overcome their pain. But sometimes, a lot of the time, we as healthcare providers can forget that there are secondary problems that can come from overprescribing these drugs. I've seen many people become addicted to these drugs, oftentimes because they were prescribed them. But opioid addiction is real, it is scary, and it is a real issue here, especially in the Atlanta area. There is a big issue. There are many people that are falling victim to opioid addiction, and we want to prevent that. And the best way to prevent that is through talking about it and exposure to the topic. And so that's why we're doing this podcast. Through this podcast, we will be focusing mainly on you as a healthcare provider. So if you're listening to this, you're more than likely a healthcare provider. You're a doctor, a dentist, a nurse practitioner, something of that nature, and you are in charge of prescribing your patients medication. So we just want you to think about what you are prescribing your patients. There are many people that started off taking opioids just to alleviate themselves from pain. They were feeling day in and day out, also known as chronic pain. There is a lot of that. In some instances, next thing you know, they're on the streets looking for the drug. And they're not even sure how they got there. They're just there, and it's just happening. And that is what is called addiction. That is true addiction. And it can happen to anyone at any time, anywhere. It's not just a certain demographic, a certain age, a certain, skin color. It's none of that has anything to do with addiction. It can happen to anyone. There are so many ways to avoid this. And opioids, of course, can be used for people that may have, terminal cancer or terminal diseases. But for somebody who has chronic pain, opioids are not the answer because they are going to be using that day in and day out for the rest of their lives. And opioids are something that our body builds a tolerance for. And we're going to need more and more and more to the point where the opioid isn't going to do anything for their body anymore. And they're going to need further assistance. So here in this podcast, we're going to discuss a few options that we can offer to patients instead of opioid medication. Different options include massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care, physical therapy, exercise, and cognitive behavioral therapy. So let's go ahead and get started.